In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, you can simply go into Tab menu and click on those three dots located on the right of brightness slider. Then use this switcher to enable or disable adaptive brightness and save your changes by hitting done. You can also go into settings, scroll down to hit display, and use this switcher next to adaptive brightness below brightness slider to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!